Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zatar Gardens. This is my son Shant here. We're washing the subtropical, tropical plants, cherimoya, avocado, moringa, mango, pineapple guava. That's pretty tough tree is pineapple guava, but this is the time of year. What are you doing? What? Hold on to it. You're scared, Lulu. This is the time of year that you want to start washing off the leaves, cleaning off the cobwebs. The insect activity is not as much, so the spiders probably have left, etc., etc. There's probably still some, but regardless, this is the time of year to wash everything off, make it nice and clean. That way you can start doing your late summer, early fall pruning. So I already did some here, as you can see. This is my 4-in-1. Let me zoom out. My 4-in-1 peach, plum, nectarine, apricot. And look at this. We were laughing at it. A bird ate a peach and left the pit. He ate the whole peach around it. So it's time. My garden. I was working on a lot of my books. I've been working on books for the past year, and a lot of them have been bestsellers right now. That's where I've been this whole year. I only did maybe like 10 videos, maybe 10 to 20 videos this whole year. That's what I was doing. For anybody that's wondering. So they're going well. Top 10, top 3 books. But yes, that time of year, and especially if you got subtropicals to tropicals, keep it moist. It's still getting warm. It's 90 degrees today, but it's cooling off though. But yeah, it's time, like I said, it's time to start pruning. So you get more growth, especially if you're in zone 9B or higher. You'll get more growth come October to mid-November, and that's where the fruit will be, the flowers. That way you don't have to pick fruit, you don't have to pick fruit way up there. This all needs to cut off. This is too much growth. This actually tells me that there's too much nitrogen in the ground. Now that could be also, in all honesty, Lulu likes to pee over here. And urine has a lot of nitrogen, and it probably has produced this growth. Look at that. Lulu, what are you doing, huh? Lulu's scared of the... Stop scaring her.
No.
All right. It's been a while, everybody, but I'm back. I'll slowly update everybody. What are you doing, Shant?
Hang on.
This is not helping anything. And a little tip too. I'll do another video. Me and my Tallinn, they're here and there, but I'll show you one I saw. It worked, but they needed to be a little higher. We put fake dragonflies. We bought them online. I'll put a link too. It'll be an affiliate link if I remember. But they need to be a little higher. Because no dragonfly goes that low. They usually perch like up here, and then once they do, you'll notice you're safe from mosquitoes. They are afraid of dragonflies. So it did work a little bit, but I think it's too low. We did see a drop of mosquitoes, and how I know that, they weren't landing on me as much. But the dragonflies don't naturally do that. They go higher. So if I were you, I would just cut I would just cut this off and glue it to a post or glue it to a fence or something like that. Look at the new leaves of the, let me zoom in, the new leaves of the mango. Ooh, it's getting humid. That's exactly what they like. And look at the moringa, let me zoom out. If you're still with me, let me know. Type moringa in the comments. Moringa, mulungai, mulungai. Beautiful. So I'll link up some older videos. This was 100 seeds of mine. I planted here. I gotta clean up all these sucker growths. So you can see there's a moringa here, over here, but you could tell which one was the strong one right there. And that is going to be protected this winter. I'm gonna make a makeshift greenhouse for the moringa and the mango. So this is a Malena, no, I'm saying it wrong. Malena, M-A-N-I-L-L-A, I think it's pronounced. It's just basically a seeded mango from seed grown up, no graft. The one that was grafted didn't make it when it was heavy rain, so it needs that strong root system of a seeded variety, not grafted. So it can grow here. It flowered, but I knocked off the flowers. Happy gardening, everybody. Say bye, Shant.
Bye.